Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Everything. Today I'm going to show you how to force quit a program on Windows 11. This tutorial will also work on Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7. It just may be slightly different, but it's the same premise. So let's say my Google Chrome froze up and wouldn't respond. What do we do? Well, we're going to go down to the taskbar here, any empty part of the taskbar, right click and click on Task Manager. And you'll see this page here pop up. Now if you can't right click and it doesn't say Task Manager, then what you can do instead is go to the search icon here and type in Task Manager. And there you can see Task Manager here. We're just going to click on that. Now when Task Manager opens, you're going to see this page. This is every single program that is currently running on your computer. The top half is going to be all of the programs that are open and that you can see and use. And the bottom half is everything that's running in the background. Now sometimes some of your programs just may stop responding for whatever reason. Maybe you know the reason, maybe you don't know the reason, but it isn't responding. So what we're going to want to do is find the program that isn't responding. So in my case, I'm going to do Google Chrome. You just want to click on it where it says Google Chrome. And once you clicked on where it says Google Chrome, you're just going to click this End Task button at the top right. Click on that, and as you can see, it will force quit Google Chrome. Now we can open it back up, and it should be responding again. You can do this for any program, whether it's running in the foreground or the background. Just find the program you want to stop and click End Task. Anyways guys, that is how you force quit a task on Windows 11. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching How to Everything.